I have a little bit of stains in the pool, and so I decided to make a vitamin C treatment to tackle these stains, and so that's why I bought this unpretentious Baker vitamin C. It's just pure vitamin C, has nothing to do with the pool, it's normal vitamin C, but as soon as we have normal, pretty much 100% clean vitamin C, then it should work, and as far as I know, that's what we have here. And of course, to prepare, I've been lowering a little bit the pH, turning off the chlorinator, brought down the free chlorine to around 1 ppm, pouring this now into the pool, and then when I see that the stains have lifted, then I'm going to add this chelator here, this aquadoc, which is very important, otherwise the stains would settle back. Because of the lower chlorine, I'm also going to add a little bit of algicide, and then 24 hours later I start to increase a little bit the chlorine, but I'm not going to shock it for the next 2 weeks. That's the idea here, and so let's start. So here's the vitamin C, was nicely sealed here, so let's see how this looks inside. Yeah, it's open. You can see nice fine powder, so it looks like it was nicely sealed, didn't clump together or so. Still nice after a pretty long time. I had it on the side for around 1 year and still in perfect condition, so that's really nice. So let's pour this in here, starting here where I have most of the stains around the stairs. I hope you can see how this works. This is usually instantly visible when I put a little bit here and then it's sinking down on the ground. Usually you can see pretty much instantly a difference that the stains are removing, and that's also what we can see here. I hope you can see in this area here, it's pretty crazy. So it has worked instantly. I hope you can see this patch here compared to everything else around that here. It has already removed all the stains. That's pretty amazing. So definitely works. And so I'm adding this now everywhere around the pool, distributing this nice and evenly, especially here. So with a little bit of luck it will touch the wall here. So I finished my first round. It's a 14,000 gallon saltwater pool and I've used around half of it. So I'm going to make a couple of circles. Yeah, I can see even the change already after 2 minutes down on the ground, about 3 feet deep. Yeah, I've emptied the whole bottle here and the pool already looks almost like brand new. So now I'm using the brush here to help also a little bit with the areas which were not directly touched by the vitamin C grains. And that's around 10 minutes after I've been adding this vitamin C to this pool and brushing the pool everywhere. Now adding this Aquadoc Professional Sail and Scale, which is a chelator. That's what we want to use to prevent that the stains, all the metals, everything which we have removed from the surface with this vitamin C settles back to the surface. And so here it says 2 ounces for each 500 gallon of water. Here we have 14,000 gallon, means 4 ounces for each 1,000 gallon. So for 10,000 gallon, I have to use 40 ounces. And that's 64 ounces, so I would say for my pool that's about the right size. Everything, of course, as always, highly recommended to wear goggles and gloves when dealing with pool chemicals. So I'm opening this here. Okay, and so I'm pouring this here inside where we have the jet here. And so it's going to be distributed nice and evenly when I hit directly the jet here. You can see already moving to the other side. So I'm slowly adding this here, adding a little bit of water here, shake it out, pouring the remainders in, but it looks like everything had been nicely dissolved. And so everything is done here at the moment, I would say for the next 24 hours. After that, we'll start to increase the chlorine level, adding also a little bit of algicide. And so this is 24 hours later and you can see how nice this looks here. The pool surface absolutely clean, super white, much more bright than yesterday before I started the treatment. And so you can see that the chelate definitely helped to keep everything from settling back to the surface. You can see that here nothing has come back here. It's absolutely clean, super white, super bright. So it has definitely paid off to use the chelate after using the vitamin C. But of course now I've turned on the saltwater chlorine generator to bring back the chlorine into the pool, because the vitamin C has been eating up all the chlorine. It's pretty much at zero. We'll also add maybe a little bit of algicide here inside to prevent some algae grow. But as you can see, it's totally clear. Nothing has happened. It's in perfect condition. No cloudiness, no algae, no nothing. Full success. Yeah, and so I'm super happy with the result. Definitely love this stuff. Full recommendation from my side. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.